Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, hope you all are doing good and I'm good too. I'm making a video after a long time because I was a little ill, so I can't make video. So today I supposed to make a video and that's it. So today's video is on the one of the most affordable lipstick of India, that is the Elle Color Pop Matte Lipsticks.
So here's the beautiful lipsticks, that is the Elle Color Pop Matte Lipstick.
These are about 230 ml of product for rupees 75 only. It's about 100 when it came, but now it's rupees 75 and it's quite affordable. It's really affordable and I like the consistency and I like it's really beautiful. They are not proper matte like fully matte, but they are creamy matte. That's a good thing about it. And they are a little transfer like something. They are not transfer proof, they transfer a lot. Before starting it, I will mention the shade name on anywhere on the screen and also in the description box. You can check it from there. And if possible, I will provide you the link for the product. I bought them from Nykaa, so I provide the link. So let's get started.
The first shade I'm using here is the Pink Berry. The texture of these lipsticks are really beautiful. They are creamy matte. I love this shade. It's really a neutral shade and it matches on any type of cloth. Now here I am using a shade which is the Berry Dance. It's a dark shade and I like this shade too. It looks beautiful and pop out when you do some light eye makeup. It really look good. The application of these lipsticks are really easy. They need single coat, just a single coat, and just wow, they are really nice. They just need a single coat. You can look in the video, you can watch there. It's really easy to use them. The shade names are mentioned on the screen as well in the description. You can check it out there, and also mentioned in the comments that which shade you like the most. Now I am using a shade named Grape Riot. You can check it on the screen. It's darker than the Pink Berry shade and it's look beautiful too. The formula for these lipsticks are really great and it made them a little waterproof. Also these lipsticks have a smoother application with a better grip. Using a shade named Mauve Date, which is the lightest shade I have. It's like a dull pink shade, like something. These lipsticks are really affordable. Now the shade I'm using here is the proper bright red shade. It's the perfect red shade you ever wanted in a lipstick. Literally, I love this shade. It just make your makeup look pop out. Really, trust me guys, if you are looking for a red lipstick, it's the perfect. Now the shade I'm using here is the Choco Bite shade. It's really a neutral shade and I like this shade. It's really a neutral shade. You can wear it on any dress, anytime, on any color, whatever you want. It will just make your look great. And it will go better with light colored clothes and with a light shade eye makeup, and it's a simple look. It go better with a simple look. If this video is going helpful to you, please like the video, comment and share to all your friends and relatives if they need to watch it or wanted to buy a lipstick from Elle. Now I'm using a shade named Belgium Brown, and comment down which kind of videos you want from me, which kind of tutorials you want from me. Trust me guys, I will be always there for you. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram till now, then go and please follow me guys. Follow me for many updates, suggestions, stories, and reels, and some helpful things for you guys. So please go and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box of my Instagram account. So go and follow me. Now here I'm using a shade of red color, which is code red, and it's a dull red and it's lighter than the previous one I showed you, which was the ravishing one. And this shade go with a bold look and a heavy makeup, and it looks just awesome with this. So if you are looking for a dark dull red lipstick, so it's perfect one. And sorry for that if my voice seems to be a little different, because I was ill from last 2 weeks.
So these were the swatches of these beautiful lipsticks. So comment down your favorite shade or your favorite color which you like, and if you want to buy them, the link is in the description box, so you can check it from there. So what was the review and demo, and which type of videos you want to see, you want to watch. And if I talk about this lipstick, so its price is ₹75. It's quite affordable, and the name is Elle Color Pop Matte Lipstick. These are not fully matte, these are a little creamy based, and they are not transfer proof. They transfers a lot, and you will get 230 ml or 4.3 gram of product for piece 75. So it's time to end the video. I'll see you soon in the next video. So if you like this video, then give a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification first whenever I upload a video. So stay tuned, and it's pandemic time, so please take precaution and stay home and do follow all the rules. So see you all in the next video. Bye.